welcome to my channel, and guess what? I'm bringing you guys a second Walmart haul. Why? Because there were some new rebates that popped up and I wanted to get the rebates. So a lot of these deals are kind of new and some of them are repeaters, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walmart. Now, this is probably one of the best money makers I've ever had at Walmart. And I'm hoping this stuff resets because I want to go back and do this deal. Now, some of these deals will not be here for very long. But I'm just so excited to share with you guys what I got. So let's get started. I got the Canada Dry again because this at my store it says it's $1.34, but when you ring it out it says it's $1. So you guys would pay $1 for this of the lemon or ginger ale and lemonade. But then you guys would pay $1, but then you guys get a 50-cent Ibotta rebate back, making it just 50 cents. So I thought that was good. I mean, why not just stock up on tons of ginger ale like crazy? I ended up getting the Clairol Instincts hair dye. Now, this was $6.92. Now, some of you guys said you didn't have a Target one, but Target and Walmart Ibotta rebates are two different ones, so you guys can do it at both locations. But my Target one did not reset, so I'm just letting you guys know on that. But this was $6.92. You guys want to use a $3.50 off coupon that you guys can print from a coupons.com. You guys would end up paying $3.42 for this. But then you guys can submit a $2.50 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 92 cents. Can't go wrong with 92-cent hair dye. Sure. I did the CoverGirl again. Now, like I said, those coupons should work for you guys. The thing is, like, any coupon, I think, over $5, the CSM, which is Cashier Service Manager, they have to, like, approve it. So, and a lot of you guys are having problems with that. If your store doesn't allow paper coupons, you guys could also use the coupons.com app. You just submit your receipt if it's on there. So there's tons of deals. I know there was a lot of $2 off coupons for the CoverGirl deal. So, I mean, there's other deals that you guys can do on the coupons.com app. But what I ended up getting is more brow pencils. These were $3.94. You guys want to buy 2 of them. You guys want to use that 6 off of 2 coupon. You guys would just pay $1.88. Now this rebate it doesn't end until the end of the month, but usually when they have the little timer thing on it, it means there are very limited spots left. So right when I left the cash register, I scanned my receipt because some of this stuff is going, and this is a huge money maker. But you guys would pay $1.88 for both of these, but then you guys will get $3 and $3 back with Ibotta, making it a $4.12 moneymaker. Yeah. Where'd it go? I also got the CoverGirl mascara. Now I also had a $3 off coupon that is no longer available from coupons.com. So this was $4.49. I used that $3 off coupon. I paid $1.49 for this, which is still a pretty decent deal for mascara, but we don't pay for mascara. But you guys can also submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this a $1.51 moneymaker. So cannot pass that up. Now I did the Sally Hansen. Now this is one thing I was super excited about, and I didn't know. I wish I brought more coupons with me, so there's different deals that you guys can do. So what this one was is this is the Advanced Hard as Nails. This was $3.96 at my store. Okay, so no, this was sorry. I don't know, did I write this? Not. This was $2.97 at my store. you guys could pay $2.97 and you could submit a $3 rebate, making it a 3-cent moneymaker. But we do have those dollar off coupons. Now, I only had one of those dollar off coupons, so it still became a favor for me. So you guys would pay $2 and, where'd I lose my spot again? $2.97. You guys use that dollar off coupon. You guys would end up paying $1.97, but then you guys can submit a $3 rebate, making it a $1.03 moneymaker. So yeah, and then I also did the hardened nails. Now these I didn't use the coupons for. I didn't know if they were going to scan with these. I don't know. I know I've had problems in the past, so I just didn't even bother. But these were $2.46. You guys would pay $2.46, but then you can submit a $3 rebate on Ibotta, making this a 54-cent moneymaker. Now that Sally Hansen $3 rebate is a limit of 3. So definitely take advantage of this if you guys can do that. So there was that. And then I also got the Sally Hansen Insta-Dry. Now this is a color Pedal to the Metal. I think it's kind of cute. It's like a pink, like metallic color. I think I'm going to use this because I think this is really pretty. But this was $3.96. I used a dollar off coupon. I paid $2.96 for this. But then you guys can submit a $1 rebate. You can do this 3 times if you want. A $1 rebate, making it just $1.96. Not the greatest deal, but I wanted to hit level 3 and I wanted to hit my bonus, but some of the stuff that I had written down my store didn't have on hand, so I just didn't have enough in stock. So that's fine. I'm totally fine with that. I needed 12 to get the bonus and I got 10, so I'm just I might go to Walgreens tomorrow and get some more hair dye because that reset also. The next deal I got, now a couple of you guys commented, I ended up getting the Kiwi Whitener, whatever this is. Now, if you guys, a couple of you guys said that this would work for the Kiwi Ibotta rebate, so I scanned it while I was at the store and the Kiwi popped up. So this is actually $3.46. You guys would pay $3.46. I think I have a $2 rebate on coupons.com, so I'm going to submit my receipt for that. Or $1, it doesn't matter. I'll just send it in anyways. But anyways, you guys would end up getting a $4 rebate back for Kiwi, making this a 54-cent moneymaker. So yes, tons of moneymakers in this haul for you guys. Now, a lot of you guys mentioned the children's Zyrtec in the baby department. I thought that was kind of cool. So this little guy was $3.47. I scanned it. It worked. So you guys would pay $3.47 for this, but then you guys can submit a $4 rebate on Ibotta, making it a 53-cent moneymaker. So, and it's just a little thing, which I think is kind of cute. So I'm pretty excited, you know, to use it. Super cute. So, and that is over in the infant section. A lot of you guys told me it was in the infant section. So make sure you guys go over there and check that out. Okay. The next deal I got is the Splendid Naturals. Now, these are $3.48 at my store. I used those $3 off coupons that we got from a couple weeks ago. I just paid 48 cents for these each, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate, making it a 52-cent moneymaker. Now, I also had in Savings Star, when I did my video on Monday, I looked in my Savings Star, and I have a deal where if you spend $16 on Splenda, you get $4. So I submitted my receipt, my 2 receipts that I had previously, and then I submitted this one. So I will also be getting $4 back. So this technically became a $4.52 moneymaker for these. So pretty excited. You just have to buy 6 of them to get that rebate, because if you think about it, they're $3.48. So just letting you guys know, if you guys have that deal, definitely do it. If you guys don't have those $3 off coupons, it'll end up becoming like a moneymaker possibly if you guys do the $2 off coupons. So letting you guys know about this. This deal, I want to thank Running Kimono. She tagged me on Instagram, but they have this Carefree deal where if you guys buy a Carefree product, it's got to be a certain count. You guys will send it in and you get a $5 digital gift card. Now, it's 2 per household, so I'm going to see if I can do this deal a couple different times, and I'm going to use 2 different emails, because why not? You never know. So these were $2.97. Now, there is a 50-cent off coupon that you guys can print off the Carefree website. Totally forgot to print it off. I had it up and then I was in a hurry to leave and I totally forgot to print it off. So it's not a big deal. But you guys would pay $2.97 for this. But then you guys can submit your receipt, and I will try to put it below the link below. And you guys will get a $5 digital gift card. So this will end up becoming a $2.03 moneymaker. If you guys use that 50-cent off coupon, it comes to be a $2.53 moneymaker. So yeah, can't go wrong with that. The next deal I got is the Cottonelle Fresh Wipes. Now, those coupons do expire this Saturday, I think. So if you guys want to do this deal, do it this weekend. These were $1.97. You guys want to use that 75-cent off coupon. You guys would just pay $1.22 for this. But then you can submit a 50-cent rebate, making it a 72 cents for this, which could be a decent deal. And then I got one last item for you guys. I got the L'Oreal Everpure Deep Moisturizing Hair Sheet Mask. So I'm excited to try this. It's like a mask for your hair. That's kind of cool. So this is $3.97. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon that is on coupons.com. You guys would pay $1.97 for this. But in my rebate on Ibotta, I had $1.90, which is really weird. So this just became 7 cents for this, and it was only a limited one, so I got it once. But print those coupons off before they go away. So that was my Walmart haul. My total came to $31.69. I ended up getting $34.40 back with Ibotta. I'm getting a $5 digital gift card. Plus, I'm also getting a $4 rebate from Savings Star for the Splenda deal. So this transaction, or this whole haul, ended up becoming $11.71 moneymaker. Yes, everything for free, and I made a profit. I just need to finish 2 more items to finish the bonus that just popped up, plus level 3. I think I need 2 more items, so I'm gonna kick it. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys with another haul from Walmart, because I could not pass these deals up, and I don't know how long Ibotta is gonna keep them. But you guys know the drill. Subscribe to my channel, hit that like button so you guys can see more deals, and I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.